RML short wheelbase is a two-seat, high-performance GT, the design of its lightweight, carbon-composite body paying homage to the driving purity of supercars from the past, while offering 21st-century comfort and convenience. Features like its stacked rear lights, exposed fuel filler, chip-cutter front grille and vents appearing behind each wheel and on the bonnet have all been carefully reimagined, powered by a 5.5-litre Ferrari V12 engine. Allied to a manual 6-speed gearbox, the short wheelbase integrates a raft of discrete modern features which transform it into a fast and usable GT with classic lines, capable of swallowing large distances with a degree of comfort and convenience that wouldn't have been dreamt of 60 years ago.